Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This one is a flip through. The beast, as I call this one, has been quite the labour of love, because the lady who asked for it, she missed out on both my steampunk box journal and my rose garden journal. So she asked if I could do a journal that encompassed both. So I thought, what better way than to make a flip journal? So on the front here, that's the steampunk front, and then that way is the rose garden front. So they're kind of it's kind of interesting, I think. I do love to do flip things and stuff like that, because it just makes it, I don't know, nice and different, I suppose. But as you can see, it's quite bulky. There's a lot in this journal, but unfortunately the lady who asked me to do it is kind of AWOL. I'm hoping that she does get in touch, otherwise it may well end up becoming available for somebody else. So there's an awful lot in it, so I'm not going to pull out everything and, you know, what have you, because we could be here forever. There are a couple of more interesting things, and some things I need to still add ephemera to, you know, like this one, for example, still needs some stuff adding. I want to add a few more charms to it yet. And there's a couple of tags that still need, you know, sort of lace or ribbon or something putting in them. And I've tried to leave a lot of journaling space, whether that be to write or whether to just add things to it, you know, because I know a lot of people have specifically asked before if I could make them where there is actually room to add more rather than completely filling them. So that's what I did for this one. Oh no, that is another page, Becca. That's pockets, tags, journaling cards, you know, that kind of stuff. A lot of this you might recognise from things I have posted in the groups, and some, I believe some of this was already here in the sort of so far flip through that I did as well. So they just have journaling cards in them. So yeah, there's a lot to get through. This one I think needs, yeah, this one needs some ephemera adding to it and a little bit more decoration on the front, and then that one's done. But for all intents and purposes, I won't be doing, you know, a huge amount more. I love making these little multi-tuck spots. I just think they're so cute. And these little notebooks that my friend Amanda showed a while back, and I fell in love with them. I always try to put one in the journals that I do, just because I think they're so adorable. And then what have we got here? Yeah, tuck spots and safety things and journaling blanks from the masterboard that I did. I think I actually put the masterboard up as a free printable for the Rose Garden. I hope I did. You never know with me though. That's embossed fabric, sort of journaling thing. I don't know what you'd call that. That's just more journaling spots. I know I get it. A lot of people do really like to write, you know, in their journals and stuff. So, which I think is great. I love the idea that I'm making something that somebody's going to use like that, you know. This is currently being used. Oh, there goes my pencil. Currently being used in one of the groups that I'm in, one of the UK groups, as a swap challenge type thing, because it's a really cool little tag, that one, I think. We have more little expandy pockets. Do you like an expandy pocket? And lots more journaling space. Lots more space to add things, more journaling cards, more embossed fabric. I do have a tutorial for the embossed fabric as well. I don't know if you can see the embossing on that, but yeah, I have a tutorial if you want to learn how to emboss your fabric. So that is the Rose Garden half, and then, as I say, you will then flip it round for the steampunk half. I think I did tutorials for a chunk of the stuff in this one. If I didn't make a tutorial though for something that you're particularly interested in seeing how to make, just leave me a comment, let me know, I'll make it for you, no problem. Again, this one uses the masterboards that I'm pretty sure are available in my freebies. They're also included in my steampunk kit. That was also done as a tutorial with all the little flippy flappy pockets. This is all from my steampunk set as well, journaling cards and the like, and this pocket is also included, and there's lots of labels and tags and all that kind of thing that I've put in there as well. So it's quite a nice kit actually, even if I do say so myself. We have, obviously, we do love a little flippy flappy pocket thing going on, don't we? I've got that one stuck, there we go. I know everybody loves a good flappy pocket. That one is a pocket as well, with another masterboard journaling card. Yeah, more pockets. Scrappy pockets, I do have a tutorial for those as well up on the up on YouTube, and this is the small version of the pocket and tuck spot tutorial that I did. Again, more journaling space, big journaling card in there, and tags and envelopes and the like. More tags and journal space. I'd already undone that one, hadn't I? I don't know if I did a tutorial for this one. I'm really not sure, but that one kind of opens out like so. So if we want a tutorial for that, guys, let me know. More tags, more pockets and tags. I love, this is again one of the scrappy pockets that are on my YouTube at the moment. I just love the transparency of that one. It's nothing new, I just love it. Some nice big deep pockets for stashing miscellaneous things. This is the big version of the, which I've knocked those out of, the big flappy tuck spot pocket gizmo that I say there is the tutorial for. So I just love the way that pops up, you know, it's just great. I've got to put a couple of ribbons on some tags and stuff like that before this one's done, add a few more charms, you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, and even the spine yeah thing, that, yeah, I've tried to make that as well, so it's kind of dual sided, so you've got like the darker with the blacks and the bronze and, you know, that kind of thing, and then over here you've got the pinks and the creams and the greens, and, you know, so no matter which way that's flapping it's got the right spined angle side showing. So yeah, there you go. That's taken me a good couple of months to make this one. I am a bit slow at making these days, but yeah, it's worth it, because I think I absolutely love it, and I'm just hoping that the lady that wanted it gets in touch. If not, yeah, it might be up for grabs. So there you go, guys, I'll catch you later.